is Dr. Pranav Ranjan.
Sir.
Good morning, Dr. Harbans Lal, sir, chairperson, the audience. This is a situation which is not encountered very frequently. So the lens goes in upside down. So what to do in that situation? Should we leave it like that, or should we tumble it in the correct position? Because with the multifocal lenses, toric lenses, EDOF lenses, putting it in the correct position is the best way forward. So what has to be done? The upside down lens has to be brought into the anterior chamber, and then with the help of two instruments, two Sensky hooks, using the primary incision and the side port, taking advantage, mechanical advantage, we can always tumble the lens and then put the leading haptic in the bag, followed by the trailing haptic. The reason why it is not unsafe is the fact that the entire depth from the endothelium to the posterior capsule is approximately 7 millimeters, the lens being 6. So it is always safe if we do it in a proper way. So this is the right way. If you land into such a situation, one should always try this technique.
Thank you, Dr. Ranjan. And I think the another important point he already brought up about the EDOF lenses, because these lenses, the total power, some of them may have on the posterior surface, some of them may have anterior surface, some of them may have in the center. So different type of lenses, and according to the lens thickness, so that means your biometry may go wrong if it is upside down. And so it becomes very, very crucial if you are using the multifocal EDOF lenses. But nowadays I have started using, I'm now using what I call as a hydro maneuvers more inside the eye. I mean, whatever the viscoelastic can do, same thing can be done by maintaining the chamber by putting the irrigation cannula in. So I just put irrigation cannula, use it as a one instrument, and put another instrument from other side and tumble it. Because I put all toric IOLs, everything under hydro. But of course, Hilon GV or Viscoat will be more ideal for the beginners. There is absolutely no doubt about it. No doubt about it.
So viscoelastic more because due to the protective effect on the tissues like endothelium. That was one reason. Otherwise,
particularly the chamber is shallow, high power lenses. Myopics you can do very easily without any problem because the chamber is very deep. But if you are not experienced, yes, good viscoelastic helps and it is very, very easy.